Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to use Gauth AI writing tool to make a pro writing instantly. Now to make a pro writing instantly, just like open your browser like this. Now type in on your search bar like this https://gauthai.com like this. Type it like this. Now what you do next is just click on search. Now as you can see, it take me to the website. See how it will be the first time like this. You see it. Now if you are using smartphone, what you will do is to change your browser into desktop mode like this. Now let's dive right in. What you will do next is just before starting, make sure you sign in order to be of benefit. You can find the link in the description section. Now click here, this writing helper, just click on it. Now select what you want it to write for you, either message. You can see it is quick. Just now what you do next is just to add the topic of what you want it to write for you. Now what you will do next is just add keyword of what you want it to write for you here. What I want it to write is an article based on benefit of technology to today's world. As you can see, after typing it, you either select the degree of your academic level here, select the reference you like here. Now what you will do next is, if you have any specific instruction to give it to the AI, you will type it down here. Because I don't have any specific instruction here, I'll click on this start writing here, and then wait for it. Also you can find the features here and wait for it. Now here is the article, you can see it. Here is the article. You can also edit a specific area just by clicking on it like this. You see it, then press it. Now you can edit it by rewriting it like this, and then wait for it to rewrite it. As you can see here, it has started rewriting it. As you can see, it have rewrite it. You see, you can also copy it like this by clicking on this copy to copy it. Also, don't forget, if you are using the free plan, you can only generate 3,000 words. Now you can write an article just by going back like this. Click your back navigation. Now we are back here. Now what we will do now is just paste the article here. You see it, and then what you do next is just give it a specific instruction if needed, or just click on start writing here. And also remember to select your reference style here, and then select your academic level here. As I have said before, what you do now is just now click on start writing like this. As you can see, it will take us to back to the dashboard again, and then as you can see, it has rewrite it. You see it. You can also write it again just by clicking here. You see, it has rewrite it again. You can see it give us the reference here. You see it. Now if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorial, and also let us know in the comment section if you have any question, or if there is any content you would like us to cover. Click on this playlist or watch this video in order to know how to use this Gauth AI.